How to reverse an audio in Capcut PC. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will cover how to reverse an audio file or an audio from a video in Capcut PC. Now, this is going to be for PC only. I can't really show you for mobile. So let's just go ahead and get to it and not waste much time. Now, basically, I have Capcut PC here open. I'm just going to create a new project, and I'll be using this file to reverse it. But first, if it's a audio within a video, it's going to be a lot easier. So just go and click on import, and we can just go ahead and go to let's go to desktop here, and I will find this audio here, or I mean video, sorry. If we just go in and drag it down here, we can actually see that we have our video once it actually loads in. So just go in and wait for it. And once it actually loads in, you'll find a lot of options here at the top, right over here in this panel. One of them is going to be reverse. Now, this is going to work for videos, and it's going to also reverse the audio as well. So if that's what you want, you can just go in and click on the file or the video, and then just click on reverse. And once it's actually done, it's actually going to be, the entire video is actually going to be reversed. So including the audio. Now, I can't really make you hear because I have the desktop audio muted, but you can trust me in this. Now, the only thing left for you to do is actually split the audio from the video to be able to just keep the audio without having to keep the video. And to do so, it's very simple. You basically want to click on the clip, and then you just right click, and you will find extract audio. Now, once you do that, you can simply just, remove the entire video part. We don't really need it. And if you did actually have any audio, it's actually going to be reversed. And that's pretty much all for the video parts. But what if, for example, you don't have a video and you want to, you have an MP3 file and you want to use that as well and be able to reverse it? What do we do in that case? Exactly the same thing. We want to just go in and drag and drop it in here. And then if we just go ahead and put it in here, thing is, we can't really find the button for reverse here. So we actually need to make it a video first and then be able to reverse it. So there's a few things that we can do about it. The first thing is going online and searching for MP3 to MP4, and it's just going to generate a video for you. If you can't find that, then you can just go ahead and go to stock materials in here and find a black screen or white screen. It doesn't really matter here. And just go ahead and try to align it with our audio. Now, once this is done, still you can't really reverse it. You'll actually need to export it as a MP4 file like so. I'm just going to keep it in desktop. Over here, I'm just going to name it reverse. And then I'm just going to click on export. Make sure it's MP4. And that's done right now. So what we can do is just go ahead and delete these and just go to device and import our file. And now we would want to do the same steps from step 1, which is just go in and click on it, reverse, remove the audio from the clip, extract audio, delete this, and we are pretty much set. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful. Now, this is the best method that I've found when it comes to the MP3 files. And maybe it's, there's also better ones out there, but this is the thing that I found to be best and easier. So hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.